everybody, it's Makayla. Welcome to another college vlog. It is Friday and I'm so excited. I'm getting ready for my only class of the day and it is my favorite class of the week. It is writing the hour-long television drama. We are writing the second season of the HBO Max show called Winning Time. Basically, the classroom is a mock-up writer's room. The professor is a showrunner and then all the students are staff writers. 1 week I was writer's assistant, so like we switch positions. I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll see you in a second. Hello, my makeup is done. I only have a few minutes to get to class, so I'm literally just gonna be wearing this USC crew neck sweater, Champion sweatpants, red polka dot sock, some Air Forces, bag from Canon EOS. POV, you live in a city. Okay, we gotta go. This is the classroom that I have my writer's class in. Do you want to say hi, Colette?
Sure.
You were in my other school vlog.
Hi.
This is Colette. She's in my class. You guys know her from the last vlog, and we're just waiting for the professor to arrive.
Yes, we are.
Hi guys, I just got out of class and I'm with some of my classmates.
Hey.
This is Santi, that's Kamal, and that's Taylor. What do you guys think of today's class?
Crazy.
It was really cool. We saw like how series arcs are broken and we got to like pitch our ideas for what we wanted to happen in the season, and it was really fun. Hi! This is Daisy. This is Josh.
Who is this for?
This is from YouTube.
Oh. Yeah, show me.
This is Josh. He's also screenwriting.
Can I swear?
Yeah, I can believe it
I know
too.
about the monetization.
So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm actually going to organize just what I need to do today. I have been obsessed with making to-do lists and like organizing my life and my weeks. And I've also gotten a lot of comments from you guys asking, how do you stay organized? Like, how do you stay productive? What I use to organize my schedule and everything is actually an app called Notion. Notion is actually sponsoring this video. I reached out to them asking for the sponsorship because I love their product and I wanted to share it with you guys. Let's start off by asking, what is Notion? Notion is an all-in-one workspace app that helps you organize your work and your life. This is my Notion board for school. I have some important reminders at the top. I have my writing and study music and even a little quote of the day that I change out daily. I also have my actual class schedule, all of my actual like class boards on the very left. So when I click on one of these boards, it has all of my notes for the class all in one place. So then down here I have like my university holiday schedule. I also have my homework assignments. Usually that section, like, it gets really long throughout the week. Some tips, some goals just to keep me on track. It's all digital, so instead of carrying a ton of books on my back with notes in my planner and everything, it's all in one place. And Notion actually just released their new Notion AI feature, which will help you get your work done faster. All you have to do is press the / key and you have all of the options and magic of Notion AI right at your fingertips. There's a whole bunch of things you can do with Notion AI, but here are some of my favorite ways I use it for school. Notion AI can actually help you become a more effective communicator by fixing your grammar and spelling mistakes. So if you want to polish a paper before submitting it to a professor, run it through Notion AI and it'll find the mistakes that you're missing. Notion AI also helps me unlock my creativity because whenever I have writer's block or I can't think about what's right for a paper, it actually has a brainstorm feature to help you think of topics to research and write about for your essays. And you don't have to use it alone. Notion actually has collaboration options if you're ever working on a group project. But for real, Notion has been my bestie this semester. I'm not gonna lie, it's honestly been my new favorite way to organize my life and my school schedule. You can get started with Notion for free by going to the link in the description and signing up and making your own account. And if you want to upgrade to have access to Notion AI, you can unlock that feature for only $10 a month. Thank you so much to Notion for sponsoring this video, and thank you for keeping me organized in all aspects of my life. Dude, the squirrel's at the school. Look at him! He's eating right in front of me. Dude. The first thing I'm gonna tackle on my to-do list is laundry. I have to actually wash my sheets. I put all my laundry in my laundry basket. This is the laundry room. Not very exciting, but this is where I do my laundry every week. You actually have to pay to use these machines. It can be up to like $2 per load. Depending on how much water you use, This whole room functions as the laundry room for the whole entire building, so it's always full and it's so hard to get any laundry done, but you just have to know the right times to come. Usually Fridays are like my chore days, and I love doing chores. I definitely didn't used to like doing chores at home, but now I love it because I'm keeping my space clean and it's kind of relaxing to me. Alright guys, I finished all my chores. This is what my room looks like at night, and I definitely did get a late start to the day, so the sun set super quickly. I ate a little bit. I'm gonna relax right now. I got sidetracked and I've been editing a thumbnail for like 2.5 hours. It is currently 9:05 and I'm pretty hungry, so I'm gonna get a bite to eat at Kava. It's this really good Mediterranean place. I'm obsessed with it. My bank account. I don't even want to think about it. Like, I don't even check it because I'm just scared. Just chicken, please. Thank you so much. There's like nobody in here because it's Friday night. Like, most college kids are out partying. Meanwhile, I'm here. My skin is breaking out so bad. Like, I have this patch right here, which is just so annoying. I'm just gonna read a book, and I'm gonna be writing the TV drama series from Pamela Douglas. The author of this book is actually my professor of my television script analysis class. I was literally in class one day and I was flipping through this book and she's like, "You have the wrong edition." I have the 3rd edition, not the 4th edition, so if you get this book, get the 4th edition. But yeah, this is a really good book. So yeah, I'm gonna read this book while I go to sleep and just unwind. Good morning. Well, actually it's not good morning because it's 2 p.m. I slept in. I'm not gonna lie. I slept till 11. I just needed that rest and a slow morning. I woke up with a sore throat. I've been having a sore throat for the past few days. I took some vitamins, but I also picked up this wellness shot. It's gonna be painful. I don't know what it's gonna taste like. Oh, that's not bad. I feel super disgusting. Like, touching gym equipment is literally so gross. And yes, there's those wipes, but you still feel like your hands are dirty. I am going to take a shower, sanitize everything, and I need to study because I didn't do that yesterday. So it's going to be a whole study day. Out here in the courtyard. Literally going back to Dulce to get a coffee. This coffee has no business being this good. Hello everybody, happy Sunday. I just finished filming the sponsorship section of this video and a little TikTok reel for Notion. I've had a very lazy weekend, but also a very productive weekend at the same time. I think all I'm gonna do today is just edit this video so I can get it up for you guys. I also have to plan some outfits for a brand event that I'm going to. It's my first brand event. And I'll be vlogging it, so that'll be coming soon. So if you're interested in that, subscribe for more College Diaries episodes. If you made it till the end of this video, comment leaf because I have these vines right above my bed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.